Okay, this is the voice of Vision X. Today's date is the 4th of February 2023. Let's say 2022. And I'm going to talk about, if it's even 10 minutes, let me talk about the markets today. This cryptocurrency. I'm talking about cryptocurrency. I don't intend talking about other assets, but let me just talk about crypto. You can relate it to other assets. And this is a Bitcoin chart saying, I think we'll have a trade. Not I think we have a trade. Let me just use the word we have a trade. So I'm just looking at the markets and how it's going, and I can see something. I've not been seeing something since the 1st of January on crypto, even when we had this move. Are you getting it? But that's not my thing. That's not my thing. We have 36% to 40% move or something like that since January started, the 2023 started. Let me just talk about what I'm saying right now. Okay, so it's a no face day because normally I'm not supposed to be violating my rule of dropping things online. Getting so let me get some shots of. I've told myself I'll not drop anything online again, but let me just do this. Let's do this. So we're going to use my feed from our last lower high to here we are, and I was seeing something on my phone, so I said let me come online and talk about it. As you can see, we are binging 0.5 fib retracement level, and we're stalling there. So I'll put the resistance there. So I'm on the 8-hour chart so that I can see something clearly. So probably I'll drop to the lower time frames to show you what I can see, because if I can remove the Fibonacci and just probably use my trend, play with my trend lines. So I was been following these descending triangle, which is a bullish bias pattern. I've given a trade that we're going $25,000. A lot of you don't watch my YouTube videos, probably because you feel like, oh, this is Vision X and there's nobody now. My videos are almost 80 to 100% accurate. So I can see a trade. Whatever I'm seeing right now, I'm a very, very big price action trader. Yes, and so I'm seeing something right now. So let me just go to lower time frames to see whatever, probably the 1 hour. So I'm just going to check the price action on the 1 hour, the 2 hour chart to show you where we are right now. So if I can just expand this, if I bring my parallel channel up, you can see that we are in this what's it called, this parallel channel here, and we have a resistance. So definitely whatever is happening here is just this price action. Sometimes I usually break to the upside and go to our previous resistance, or if I can pull the dollar out, you can see that the dollar is actually on this channel. I guess it is. And Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies don't tend to respect what the dollar does sometimes, because this move is supposed to bring Bitcoin back. I guess in it, but definitely we are coming to back to retest this area so that we can come down and check if we can hold it before we come or break the dollar and start going back up. We should bring all risk asset down, e.g. is JPP, JPY, e.g. gold. Gold, you can see I don't want to talk about, I said I don't want to talk about all these assets. I just want to talk about cryptocurrencies. I guess I'm just relating to whatever I'm seeing right now. So whatever I'm seeing right now here, right now, is that we are currently doing this on this channel, which have tendency of breaking to the upside, or we're on this channel, are you getting it? Which have tendency, 60% tendency of breaking to the downside, to see if we can find a support here, which definitely will not hold. It will not hold. So let me drop to the 4 hourly and show you whatever I'm saying. So I'm saying a trade, and the trade I'm saying is that definitely if we don't break these, if we don't attempt to, hold on. If we don't attempt to break these 0.5 fib retracement level that we are on to the upside. So whatever I'm expecting here is for us to come back to the channel, try and attempt to break, come back again, attempt to break. Are you getting it? Between now and Sunday night, watch out for Sunday night. It usually happens on Sunday night. We cannot break this on Sunday night. Are you getting it? We try and attempt, we cannot break this 0.5 on Sunday night. Definitely will come and break a structure, shift character, find supply here, and start doing things down to the downside and bring us back to our level of I just don't want this video to be long. Bring us back to the level 85, 18,500 to 18,000 area. So whatever I'm looking at right now, because other assets like gold, Euro, USD, GBP, USD, all the USD pairs are doing it already. Are you getting it? They are doing it already, but I don't know why gold is not. Sorry, Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market are not respecting it. So whatever I'm looking at right now is us, coming down, do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to this area, probably consolidate a lead to, then find our way back up to the $2,000 area. I don't call this resistance because a lot of people will now say that, oh, what are you doing? That is a resistance there, or what they call it, order block, right? I don't call, let me delete all this so that I'll be very fast. I'll bring back my line. So it's easier for me to draw lines and every other thing because I can easily spot them. So if I can bring my Fibonacci back instantly and draw my line back, where's my line? Come, 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 come. So I just play with the chart all the time, draw my line back 0.5. So whatever I'm saying that we're doing right now is just consolidates around here. Try to break. Are you getting it? Come to 0.6, probably do a fake out and come down to probably do a fake out and come and retest and come down to our level that said it will come back to 18,500 to 18,000 area, or probably a lot of people call this other block, but I don't know why I don't want to call it another block. The upper side is another block, not here. This is definitely liquidities that it puts. You get me? So I call this liquidity because I can't actually say that I want to draw another block here. I guess I'm draw another block here that we're reacting to the other block. I'm taking this as a liquidity. These are our other block. These are our other block. I'll call this our other block because that's what I can see on the white cloth accumulation I uploaded some time ago that people think, I told you guys I will not come down more than $15,000. Are you guessing it? And from there, we'll go back to 25,000. Go and look at my June 2022 to December 2022 videos. I talked about crypto. You'll see it there. So I consider all these guys liquidity, which is happening already. So I will just do whatever the way I know how, the way I trade the market using price action. So definitely whatever I'm looking at here right now is us coming down to back to test all these guys here because we have a good area of value around this area of 18,000 to 20,000. So the only way Bitcoin can survive this is, look at is we have a trade. So I'm just going to take my 0.6, so I'll put my 0.7 at my, it's even too far. It's even too far. I'm just going to watch the price action. Hold on. I'm just going to watch the price action that is going to happen here to see if we will try and break it. But if we break any structure to the downside, I'll find my supply around here to bring me down to this area, 18,500. So from my $24,000 to my $18,500 is about 6,500 in profit. So that's a good trade for me. And see if we cannot break it. If we come here sluggishly, I'm not coming down with a force. Like we come sluggishly to the downside. I'm not coming with a force. Are you getting it? I know that definitely here will hold because it will definitely go and respect what's it called? Something like this will happen here. Hold on. Something like this will happen here. So whatever I'm looking at, if that's going to happen, is definitely if we come here, we cannot break to the upside. Definitely will come here and break down, continue to the downside. Definitely that will make BTC to come down, respect this, and go back up, so that the dollar will keep going down because dollar is very weak. I guess in it, but I'll be following this channel up on the dollar, which is a bullish biased indicator that definitely dollar might be reversing to the upside because we break broken character, change character there. So definitely come and test what's it called, demand level again. If we can hold it, definitely we'll break in here and continue breaking to the upside. I guess and taking probably some risk asset like gold. Is it gold? Let me go to the daily. Probably bringing gold to this area, but I'm not saying gold. I don't know. I will just flow. I'm not sentimental. Anything that it gives me, I take. So it will definitely come back and is down right now, giving us a bearish engulfing on daily. And what's it doing on the weekly? It's doing something like an evening star on the weekly in a very good supply zone. So I don't know. Well, I'm not saying it. I'm not saying go going down except it breaks below this and go down. Are you getting? So this is my entry here or my entry here. Are you getting? The coming back, start going down, creating on that lower low again. Are you getting? So I'm just going. I'm talking about crypto. I don't know why I like going back to some other assets. So whatever I'm saying here right now is that let's go back to 18,500 or 18,000. Then from there, let's go back to 18,000. So my call is that let's go back to 18,000. Find a consolidation around here. If you can hold and not a fake out, definitely we'll go to the $2,000 area to go and find supply. That will definitely bring us to 12,000. If that will happen, I'm good to go. But right now, whatever I'm saying, it's a bullish bias, a descending triangle, descending contracting triangle this way. So I didn't have a trade since, that's why I'm not talking about crypto. Now we'll have a breakout, breaking above this liquidity. So we have a trade. The trade is that let's come back to 18,000. We can come back to 18,000 and hold it, probably form something like a bullish, a change of character, do something like this, do something like this, we couldn't break, come down, change character to the upside, find entry, definitely. I'll take on that trade back to, sorry, 32,000, 30,000 area. Are you getting it? That's definitely, if you have a change of character here, I will hold here, definitely will go. That's price action and market structure for you. So whatever you're saying is noise. If you don't know how to trade, if you don't know how to read the charts, please go and learn. Okay? These are really charts. I did a video and I said that definitely when I think that was the first week of January, so the first week of January, I showed you guys something that we're about going back to $25,000 area. I don't know why people think that they don't, what's it called? We had definitely something like an ascending triangle here, which is a bullish bias of breaking us to the upside. Look at my video. Go and watch my video from the first week. I said we'll come and retest and go, or retest. I even uploaded a video. Please, let's talk about something else. Let's talk about something else. Here's what we have right now. So I go to my daily to be clearer. You understand? So let's come back to retest all this. Let's come back to retest all this to see whoever wins, I go with it. If you lose this guy, break, retest, 12,000. 12,000. But if we do not lose this guy, break, change our character, come back, retest as demand at 2,000. All this guy will not be liquidity. Are you getting it? 2,000. So this is market structure for you, pure market structure. So how many trades did I give just now? 2 trades or 3 trades. 6,500 to the downside, 18,000 to 32,000. That's about 14,000 to the upside. So if you're using 10x, imagine how much for 2,420%. Am I right? Sorry. For 2,000 times 10, $120,000. If you have a lot of money. If you don't have money, if you are using probably leverage of $2,000, you are $2,300, leverage times 10, definitely this 14,000 for you. 10x conservatively is not bad. But if you have enough money and you are using 10x on your one Bitcoin, $23,000, that will give you about $230,000 to trade. I can easily give you 14,000 times 10, $140,000 in profit. So let's look at this. First of all, 10x, $6,565,000. 10x again, $14,000 times 10, $140,000. So 60,000 times 1 plus 140, $200,000 can come in between February and March. Okay, so look at this. Just flow with the dollar. Flow with the dollar. So let me do a quick recap. We're in an ascending, what's it called? Is it a bearish flag, right? A bearish flag, but sometimes it breaks to the upside. So if I can bring out my parallel channel again, a bearish flag to the upside. So I've seen this before. Guy, don't short this. Don't short this. It's still a bullish market. So we can just come and break and start going just to go and liquidate this guy. I guess just go and liquidate this guy first, probably come 26,000, then come here and try to go. People will now start buying from here but definitely I'm expecting a fake out to the downside, using all these guys as liquidity and coming up, changing character to the downside with these guys coming up. I'm expecting us to come back to $18,500, $18,000 area. Are you getting it? Before coming up. So watch out for fake outs and watch out for breakdown to the downside. Watch out for this and this. So there are many scenarios. Just flow with the market. I don't know why some people just trade with emotions in the market and expect it to do whatever they want it to do. Don't trade like that. Flow with the market. As long as you're flowing the market, emotions will be set aside. Just flow the market. Do as if you are heartless. That's the way you trade without emotions in the market. So that's how I trade. So I've been waiting for the past 2 weeks on cryptos. So I said I should talk about Bitcoin today. So let me see what Ethereum is doing as leader of all the cryptocurrency markets for me. So let me see what this guy is doing. What are you doing? Show me what you're doing. Show me what you're doing. Show me what you're doing. So this is what I had on Ethereum all this while. So I've been on this chart since July last year on Ethereum. So let me bring it out and show you whatever I've drawn here on Ethereum. And yes, it's doing whatever I expect it to do. So definitely, I wanted this to come here and find some kind of resistance, come back here, find demand, break, and start going up to 3,200. Go and watch my previous video. I think I drew this on my previous video because I've not touched it. So if I can go to another chart and see this time, do I even have anything there? Yes, I have something there. Oh, this one. Wow. Just imagine. I've drawn a lot of things here. How do I clean this? How do I clean this? How do I clean this? Hold on. So let me take my fib off first. Let me take this guy. Okay, I gave this call that will come in here from here. How many percent? Over 20 to 22%. I give that call. I know many people did not take it. I give that call. So right now, what do we have? What do we have? What is here? Show me what you have. Okay. An ascending channel, which if drawn, have a tendency of breaking to the upside. Are you getting it? And bring us here. So I'm right on this particular, what's it called? Right. So definitely don't FOMO in yet. We need to come and retest. We need to retest. Stop. We need to retest. Where's your retest? People are FOMOing. We have to come and retest before we can start going, because retest can actually break back into this trend line. This particular guy. We can come and break back into this guy. Retest that particular structure and come down to $500. What would you do then if you are here already? You lose all your money. Flow with the market. Just flow with the market, okay? Flow with the market. Don't worry. Just try and flow with the market. So this is the voice of Vision X. Should I touch other assets? Is this even right for me to touch other assets? What do I have? UAUD. Watch this guy. Let's go to the weekly. I'll start from the weekly. I have a lot of trades on ground. I have a lot of trades on ground. Okay, we had a W pattern, which did a break and retest. A W pattern, which has done a break and retest to a 0.315 area of value back to the back side. So if I can take this off, we are currently bullish. Are we? Listen. Fibonacci, come again. Fibonacci, where are you? After every break to the upside, what do you do? 0.315, 0.382, sorry, don't mind me. 0.382, we bounced. Is it over yet? No, but let's drop down. Should we? 0.382, we bounced. So if we bounced on 0.382, where are we going? Come on, fib trend extension from here to here to here. Is definitely coming to, if we bounce from here, until I get here, I'm not leaving that trade if I take any trade now. So let me drop down to lower time frames, price action, trade it out. What do I see? What do I see? What do I see? Okay, this guy, okay. 4 hours, something happened. Something happened. One of my students will relate to this. Definitely, we are supposed to have. Hold on. Let me take this guy out and do a real price action there. So we had the, what do we have here? We had the 4 hourly support that broke to the downside. Are you getting it? Because a lot of people thought probably this will hold. Are you getting it? Broke to the downside, tested, came to just our most important area of value, which has definitely right now broken to the upside. Are you getting it? So it did a this, broken to the upside. So whatever I'm expecting right now, pivot, break, take this liquidity, touch our most important area of supply. Are you getting how supply is there? Should I go to daily? Let me see. Let me be clearer. Daily is not always clear. No, let's go back to the 4 hour. Area of supply and come back down after taking this guy, come back down to retest this guy. So let me show you something. Hey, don't mess up. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. There's something that's been happening in all assets for some time now. It happens in all assets. Look at. I don't know you guys. I don't know if you guys know this. Accumulation, spring, mass pain, and gold. Let me come again. Accumulation, spring. People will start buying. Cause you mass pain. Take all these guys out, or these guys out. Cause you mass pain. Probably come back to an area of value again. Do a particular change of character. Come back to test. Are you getting it? Change your character, come back to test demand and go and start going and come back to our probably take us to 1.65557. So that's UAUD for you. I don't know why I'm touching other assets. This man, we're giving trades out. We're giving trades out. These people don't deserve it. Giving trades out. Price action, just follow price action. But remember this, max pain, spring, no accumulation, max pain, spring on all assets. I can show you. I can show you more. Here is this GPBAUD. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Downtrend. This man is on downtrend. Boom, 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 boom. Change of character. Boom, boom. There are you. Ethereum. GPUSD is the clearest. I love GPUSD because they have been respecting each and every zone. GPUSD has been respecting each and every zone. What do you see here? We've broken this most important right now. GPUSD, guy, do you know how to trade? Look at, came up, retested, definitely we're coming back here. Consolidated for a while. What would we even consolidate? One was supposed to break and go. We consolidated for a while. Inside, hold on, take this out. Consolidated on this trend line, broke it, retested it, broke down here, retested our trend line. Strong selling pressure. We're still selling, so definitely is our net supply. Are you getting it? So definitely we'll find our way back up here. And our way back up here. Give us a bearish engulfing pattern or something, anything. Bearish, definitely bearish, engulfing. Come back, guy, come back here. We form an M pattern on the 4 hourly, forming an M pattern on the 4 hourly, doing an ABC move, ABC continuation, GPUSD. So it's not just knowing about chart patterns, price action, this one, that one, that one. Go and find your structures. Find out the trade structure before it even happens. Find out the structures. I'm just giving you something very clean. GPUSD is very clean, respecting structures. Breaking structures. Just imagine, I left cryptocurrency right now in Forex. Forex. Indices, come here. Do you have any indices in the market? USD chef. USD chef. These guys. USD chef. USD chef. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? USD chef. USD chef is currently, I'm not bringing out any indicators because if I bring my indicators right now, I'll give you confluences. I don't want to give you any confluence. So USD chef, yes, what do we have to do? Break to the down upside, come back to find supply around here. Are you getting it? Come to 0.5. So these over 600 pips, 600 pips, 600 pips. Then we can start flushing down again. Are you getting it? Definitely, definitely. USD chef. I'm not deleting anything again. I'm not taking off my feed. USD chef. That was another USD chef. So should we do have another trade? Yes. Yes. Oh, NZD chef. Yes. Let me show you something on NZD chef. Let me show you something on NZD chef. Quickly, quickly. Look at that accumulation. It's happening on all. It's happening in all markets. All markets. Accumulation, spring, max pain, go up, change character, coming back to supply. We are in a downtrend now. We went into a descending triangle, broke and retested. These are major supply area right now. So NZD shelf, look at NZD shelf. So these are major supply area right now. So no matter where the guy go, this is your entry. Just find any bearish pattern to bring us down. So enter from here. Where will it take us to? I don't know. To take us back down here. This whole supply area. I get that's NZD shelf. Indices, I'm leaving indices. Why? Hey, here's indices. Indices. Who should we take on? Who should we take on? Who should we take on? Indices. Okay. NAS 100. This video, I said 10 minutes. So this man, you like talking. Indices. What do we have? What do we have on indices? Indices, US 30. Wow. This man. This man. Indices. Indices. So indices is perfect. US state NAS 100 is perfect. NAS 100 is perfect. Okay, let me find out that one so that it will be easier. I don't want to touch that. Let me find out that guy. So indices, 4 hourly, 6 hourly, anywhere can be easy for us. So where are we? Where are we? Okay, let me use brush so that it will be faster. We started coming down. Form a beautiful W pattern. It's a neckline here. So definitely what happened? Euro AUD. Look at this guy. Euro AUD. Where are you? Where are you? Euro AUD. Back to the weekly. See what happened? So don't be carried away. Came down, W pattern, went up. Definitely coming back to test this guy. So don't be carried away. So yeah, right now. So if you're expecting any move, this is your guy, 0.382. That's your guy. So wait for anything. Don't enter. Just wait for this guy. Are you getting it? To enter. Are you getting it? So definitely where we are right now. Where is our guy? Let me take this off and draw proper trends and proper rectangle. Guy, go first, go first. So wherever we are right now. I gave a trade, I think on NASDAQ, right? Let me show you the trade. I'll show you the trade. Hold on. So this was our previous resistance. Look at something will happen. Something will happen. I'll show you. So definitely if we are still going up, that's if we're still going up. If we're not going up, this is a consolidation on the 4 hour. I gave a trade. Look at this trade. I knew that we were going to break that trend line. We are going to break that resistance at the top because it's forming a W pattern. Look at the trade. Was it NFP or interest rate that day? I gave you this trade. After breaking to the downside, after breaking this whole guy, we came back to retest and went back. When I started doing higher highs and higher lows, that's when I know that we will test because there was nothing, definitely nothing bearish in this market of NASDAQ. So definitely if you use your fib, always look at your fib levels, 0.318. What do you expect? What do you expect out of this if you use your trend fib extension from here to here to here, 0.786? That was your take profit around this area, 0.786. I've given you that trade now. So definitely what are we expecting here? Don't get carried away. know that something is going to happen here. Are you getting this? This was a channel that broke to the upside. Will not trust it. So leave that channel first. Let's do this. Let's use this. Let's just take that. Definitely this trade is coming back to the downside. Are you getting it? I want to show you something. Don't get carried away. We're coming to 0.5. It will take a lot of people because a lot of people will put their stop loss. A lot of people will put their stop loss around here, but it will come and take this guy or come and take this liquidity. Are you getting it? So definitely to break us back inside. That's what NASDAQ always usually do. To break us back inside, then people will think that we are coming here to test and come down. Well, NASDAQ would do something. NASDAQ would break us back inside and start finding its way up here. To even do like if you want to come down, we to break above and start going. That's what NASDAQ would do. That's if the markets are going to be bullish. Trust me, follow this chart, follow this NASDAQ chart to break us back inside that, what's it called? Back inside this whole guy. So take note, to break us back inside. To not respect the way he's respecting. I don't even trust EUAD fully. Definitely we might bring us back to 0.5. I don't trust it fully. So I'm just going to wait for something to break us back to this line, back to 0.5. Yes, and so I don't trust it fully, yes, because it has been doing mass pain. So that's NASDAQ for you. I get it. So right now, if it breaks us back and finds its way back into this place, you have a trade. What's the trade? Here to here. Now, I'm sorry, my student, I've given so much out already. This is a trade on NASDAQ to take us to 13,500. That's over 1,500 pips into the future, bringing us back to this resistance. Bringing us back to this resistance. So probably I will shorten this video. So that only the cryptocurrency video I did, I guess, bringing us back to this area. So this is what I'm looking at. So there are many trades coming. So trades are very open right now. The market has settled in. So trades are coming in. Very nice trades. Large amount of money. Are you getting me? So let me stop here for now. Should I touch US 30? I just touched only one indices. Do I have US 30? Do I have anything on US 30? Yes. Okay. Let me go to the higher time frames if I can see anything. Why am I not see cup and handle? Okay. US 30. We are currently on this resistance, as you can see. So we're waiting either to break to the downside or break above this and go to the upside. So since dollar is still messing up, if dollar fails, break down, every other thing can go up. I guess so just flow with the market. But this is a bullish bias too. This is bullish. This is bullish. That's why I draw those important levels for you. I guess this is bullish. So watch the dollar with anything you're doing. So I've given indices, I've given gold. Gold is flushing to the downside, but don't trust this guy. Don't trust it. There's no broken any level until it breaks this level for me. If I know that gold is going down. So it's giving you a very conservative entry if you can find it. I will not give gold because gold is very, very precious. I will not give gold. I'll not tell you any price action that's going to happen on gold. I'll just follow the market. I'll not tell you. Euro USD. What's Euro USD doing? Anything? Weekly. Show me anything. Euro USD will go up. Don't worry about Euro USD. This guy, if dollar is going to fall, Euro USD is going to come to this supply. 2,000 pips. About 1,000 pips into the future again because this is liquidity. This guy is liquidity. So it might just touch here, find his way back up. Are you getting it? And so this is what I'm looking at because if you feel at 0.5, if you feel that this 0.5 right now, this particular trend line 0.5, if it fails, I'll continue trend to the downside because we are still overall in a downtrend. Are you getting it? So that's your USD for you. So if you are a currency trader, know that. Let me readjust things a bit. So a currency trader, we are seeing a downtrend on Euro USD. So This might just be 0.5 retracement. I guess need to continue trying to the downside to find our next support. I guess just talking about the future, what the future holds for us. So I'm just gonna flow the market. I don't predict. I flow the market. There's no concern what happens in next day. I just flow the market, find my available entries. So I think I've touched cryptocurrencies, indices, the forex market. What have I not touched? US oil, US oil. I've been on that US oil guy. Here's US oil and London oil. I have 10 barrels of US oil. So overall on the daily, we are what? Bearish. I guess so. Something I've been drawing since, something I've been following up since failed. Has failed right now. Let me drop down. 6 hours. Where are you? Come. That's failed because I was expecting this guy to be this guy like this. So it has not failed yet until we take this guy out. Until we take this guy out, it has not failed yet. So if we can break this guy out, break below the structure, we change character to the downside, then come back to retest. Definitely we'll come back to 66 or $50 area. Then we'll go to the higher time frame to see if we have a confluence. So I'm not seeing any major. Where is this guy? This guy is rough. So I'll just follow the market. I'm not going to give any support or resistance zone because, wow, I've even drawn liquidity on this guy, on this one. This guy is liquidity. This liquidity. So definitely we might be coming down to take all this liquidity out before flushing to the upside. So US oil is bearish. I don't know what happened to the Chinese economy that is making US oil crash. Is it affecting Canada, USD card, or card? Do I have a trade? I'm not going to give a trade. I have a trade that I cannot open it. I'm on that trade. So if I open it right now, you see what is happening on that trade. So definitely, since this ascending channel is failing, it fails break below the change character to the downside. If we come out this trend line, give us a bearish, any bearish entry pattern coming down. That's large people, about 2,000 pips or more than 10,000 pips. I guess flow the market, just flow the market, just flow the market. You can make use of your fib, retracement probably this year we're coming to so that we can come back to 0.5, 0.618 and flush to the downside. I guess it's what am I touching again? This guy you like market, so this is your passion. What am I touching again? SPR. Watch my yesterday's video. I uploaded the video yesterday. I guess so. This is what I have on SBR. I uploaded the video yesterday. So this is my break even. I'm going to have a break even soon. If this plan works on crude oil, I will go and look for the fundamentals of what happened on crude oil. Wow, this video is taking too long. I guess so. If this guy breaks, and let me get this off for now. So if this guy breaks and form, guy, get out, because you guys is not doing what I want you to do. So get out. But it's not over yet. Look at this guy is not over yet. It's not over yet. No, let me draw it like that. It's not over yet. But there's a major supply, there's a major demand level here. Again, so if I get these guys out, get this guy out so that I will not be confused. Get this guy out. Get this guy out. Sorry about this video. This man, 10 minutes, not 1 hour, 2 hours. No. This man, so if we get all these guys out, solo price action, where are we? So we are currently in this SBR London Brent model. We're currently in this channel. So who is king? Okay, so let's trade in between this demand and this resistance. Okay, so let's trade. Don't let's give up yet. Let's trade in between this supply and demand. Okay, let's trade in between that supply and demand. I'll take this. So no hard feelings. It feels, but I'm not in losses. So if we can come and take this liquidity out and start finding a 1 hour shift to the upside supply demand, sorry, we can come back here to retest. So we can still trade this accumulation, I guess, until we find any guy, because the Chinese economy is open. Canada is supplying, the WTI I will not give much fundamentals, but I'm saying that this guy is going to turn to accumulation because we can't just keep going down like that now. Waiting, just keep going down like that. Anything that will tell us that we might be bullish, they are oversold. Oversold on daily, no. So we might go down on RSI. Let me end this video here, please. Let me end this video. Okay, I'm talking too much. Talking too much. Let me end this video here. So we'll see. Let me upload this for my students to see on YouTube. Watch this video, all the video analysis. I've given trades that can make you over $1 million, which I'm not supposed to give out because I have students. Okay, so this price action that is using to come on the daily, I don't like it. This is too large. Boom, boom, boom. What is happening? Let the next day or weekly, let me come. Weekly, boy, it's larger. This price action is larger. If that's the case, no sentiment attached. If that's the case, yeah, take this as my major. My major, these ones are just noise because this whole market started from here. This whole market started from here, found the resistance, went up, rock structure, respected again, went up. So we are trading in between these guys. So definitely that's how I read market structure. So this is my next. So definitely we are doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elliott wave 3 downside. So $60 SBR, London Brent crude oil before come and test our supply again. That's sensitive to say for a market structure. Okay, so no hard feelings. We're on a downtrend. So no hard feelings, no buy it, no hard feelings, no hard feelings. That's why it's good for you to enter early, not at the middle, so that even though you're losing overall, this guy is on a downtrend overall. So I'm not drawing from here. I'm just drawing from here. This guy is on a downtrend. So if you like, it's okay now. This man, it's okay. Upload this video. Okay, I'll end my SBRO from here. Resistance, found resistance. We couldn't break. Are coming down. So definitely we might just come and test. Come down here. So this is your end of this trade for now. So I've given a full analysis, indices, cryptocurrencies, the Forex pairs, the Forex market, the crude oil market, that's the commodities. I've given gold, the commodities, and every other thing for this trade. This is still the voice of Vision Next, and today's date is the 4th, Saturday, 4th of February 2023. If you have money to invest, reach out to me. Let's make money this 2023. Okay. Bye for now. Bye. 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 Where are you? Where are you? Am I still recording? Yes. Bye. 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 And